is Chris with Stanley Black & Decker Customer Service, and I'd like to take this opportunity to show you some of the features of our snap-off utility knives. Please be sure to wear approved eyewear when working around tools. Here we have our Stanley Quick Point 10150 utility knife with 9mm blade and 13 snap-off points. When the tip of the blade becomes dull, extend the blade to the first etched line. Remove the snapper from the bottom of the knife. Hold the snapper securely on a work surface. Insert the blade into the snapper and lift up on the back edge of the knife. And then reinsert the snapper. To insert a new blade, remove the snapper. Pull the slide to the bottom of the knife, removing the blade with it. You can then insert a new blade, being sure to align the hole in the blade with the protrusion of the slide into the knife, and then reinsert the snapper. Next we have our Stanley FatMax Extreme 10817, a 25mm heavy-duty snap-off with 4 blade capacity and automatic blade reload. At the base of the knife, we have the blade snapper here, and on the other side is a magazine that holds up to 3 spare blades. To snap off the blade, push the slide forward to the first etched line, tighten the thumb screw, remove the snapper from the back of the knife, hold firmly on a work surface, with the etched line face down, insert the blade into the snapper, and pull up on the base of the knife. To change blades, extend the slider to the forward position, grasp the blade from the back, keeping the cutting edge away from you, and remove from the blade, from the knife. Pull the slider all the way back, and it will automatically load the next available blade. To reload your knife with fresh blades, remove all existing blades from the knife, remove the magazine, and install up to 4 fresh blades and reinstall the magazine into the knife. Always remember safety when disposing of used blades. I like to wrap mine in either electrical or duct tape to ensure no one inadvertently touches the cutting edge of an old or used blade. Thank you for choosing Stanley Black & Decker. My name is Chris, and have a great day.